15 hobbies that replace scrolling and actually move your life forward. First, building something online. A page, a brand, a small project. Right now, people are turning simple ideas into real income. If you're only consuming, you're already behind. Second, martial arts or any combat training. This changes how you carry yourself. You learn control, discipline, and how to stay calm under pressure. You stop feeling weak. Third, puzzle solving or strategy games. This trains your mind to slow down and think. Instead of reacting emotionally, you start making calculated decisions. Fourth, recording yourself. Watch how you talk, how you sit, how you react. It feels uncomfortable. That's why it works. Fifth, practicing communication. Talk to people. Explain things clearly. Because if you can't express, people won't listen. Sixth, cold exposure. Cold showers. Cold water. It shocks your system and teaches you to stay calm in discomfort. Seventh, learning a high-value skill. Something that pays. Editing, AI, coding, content. Because effort without direction is wasted. Eighth, deep work sessions. No phone, no distractions, just 60 to 90 minutes of pure focus. This is how real progress is built. Ninth, negotiation practice in small things. Prices, decisions, conversations, because life gives you what you negotiate, not what you deserve. 10th, strength training. Gym or body weight. Just get stronger because confidence is built physically, not just mentally. 11th, meditation. Not for peace, for control. You learn to observe thoughts without reacting. 12th, writing your thoughts. Not perfect sentences, just real thoughts. Clarity comes when you see what's inside your head. 13th, focused reading. Not random content. Read things that upgrade how you think, because your thinking shapes everything. 14th, content creation. Not just watching, creating, posting ideas, sharing value. That's how you build leverage. 15th, journaling honestly. No fake positivity, no filters, just truth. That's how you clear your mind. You don't need all 15. Pick 2, maybe 3, and actually stick to them, because your life won't change from watching. It changes when you start doing.